How to turn on or turn off iCloud Music Sync on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, let's scroll down and tap on iCloud at the bottom. Next, in here, tap on the CO button. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on the music toggle button to turn on or switch off sync. When you turn this on, your music can be synced to the iCloud. And once it is synced to iCloud, you can access your music from other devices as well as on the web. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.